Good morning.
Morning.
Am I too early?
No.
Are you sure? Okay. Thank you.
We're a little bit later than usual.
Oh, gotcha.
Mom, is this yours?
It was at the house.
Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. How much are your muck boots?
Mom, what? How much for these boots? The boots.
Oh, make me offer on them.
Oh gosh, I wouldn't know where to stand. What are you hoping for?
Well, they originally sell for about $100.
Oh gosh, okay.
But no, I don't want that for them. But that's about what they. I think I wrote the sizes.
Yeah, that's right here, I think.
They've never been worn.
Oh right, gotcha. My goodness.
Yeah.
They're cool.
Yeah. I don't know. 30.
30. Let me think on it. They're beautiful. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Yeah, they're nice looking boots.
Especially like if anybody hunts or
Yes, exactly.
anything like
Yeah. He's cute.
that. I tell you what, I'll put 25 on them.
25. Oh gosh, you're getting me. Wheeling and dealing.
Yeah.
I'll take them for 25. Thank you. That's a wonderful deal. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
They come from Rural King.
Yeah.
I don't know. There may be even a sticker on that other end. I don't know. They run about $100.
Well, I trust you. They're me. Well, thank you. I appreciate that very much. I'm gonna add it to my little pile right here.
Oh, that's fine. You can just leave
Yeah.
that sitting up.
Thank you. I'll keep on looking. Can I pay you? Is that okay? I got 25 on the boots, 5 on the lantern, and 50 cents on the draw pull. So $30.50.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you all
much.
very much. Good luck today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you all? Thank you.
No.
Hi, how are y'all doing? Good. How much are your purses and your shoes and stuff?
$10.
$10. Cool. Thank you.
The name. You can give us price.
New price? Okay, I'll take a look. Thank you very much. You have some cute stuff.
Early bird catches the most worm.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. There's not a lot of sales so far.
Oh, really?
No, at least not yet.
Oh.
We'll
They're
see.
still sleeping.
Maybe so. I don't blame them, it's cold. Size, those are cute. think these are all a little too worn. It's a cute set though.
I thought it was after.
Oh, did you? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some people coming in now though, so I'm sure you'll get plenty.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm going to take you one person. I may circle back
Okay,
around.
no problem.
There's $10. Thank you ever so
you.
much. Good luck today. Pretty excited about that for an early morning find. Good. How are you?
Good.
Wonderful.
Can we carry them down for you?
No,
You sure?
I can do that.
Okay. What you want, baby? Oh, for the water bottle? Okay, thank you, sweetheart.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Doing okay.
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you.
Keep on looking, honey. We need all. Okay, Mom. Let's write this down.
Oh, what's this? Could I double check the price on the placemats?
How much did you want this for? Because it has
$1.
$1. Thank you very much.
There you go.
Can I give you $1 for these? Thank you
you,
very
honey.
much. Have a good day.
You too.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Yes.
Those are a 9. Shoes are $2 a piece.
Would you take $1 on this pair and that pair?
They're not mine. My sister's inside. Probably.
Can I
Yeah.
set this right here?
Yeah, honey, you're fine.
Can I ask how much your bookends are?
Oh gosh. I don't know. I'm gonna say 2.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Not mine. She'll be okay.
Thank you.
It should be separated. Yeah.
I think I've got 2 and 2, and then I was wondering how much your DVDs are.
2.
2 as well.
It sounds good.
All right. Six.
$2 sounds great.
Okay. Well, thank you. $6 total. Has somebody bought these already right here?
Yes.
Okay.
I think $1 a piece.
Let me see what I got. $6.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Good luck today.
Thank you.
How are you all?
Those are really nice shape fabrics. So these, I think we'll get both of those. I think I'm overloaded with Sperry's right now. Although those are very clean, but I think I'm just going to leave them for now. Can't tell if these are old or not.
Do you mind if I put these down while I keep looking? Would that be okay? Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Of course.
Numbers, I'm afraid.
Do you have 10 back by chance? I
I
think I'm at 10 with that.
yes. Is there any? Do you have Venmo or anything?
Yes, I do.
Can you actually Venmo me $10?
Yeah, I can do that.
Sorry, I was so busy and I forgot all about this.
No, that's totally fine. Oh my gosh. Did it come through? I'll make sure before I leave.
It does.
Okay, good. Well, thank you very
so
much.
much.
Good luck today.
Leather ones look like.
Those are swim trunks.
Yeah. These look like.
Oh my, that's the worst.
Down there. You know, they were like, I think this one should get.
Yep.
And some pop socks.
Yep. It works.
Cute though.
Oh, no, you're fine. I'm gonna go.
I'm not sure what else in there.
I don't either. Half of this is my boyfriend's. I'm making my brother help me.
Oh.
Sure. Okay.
Jamie, you didn't like this? This is cute.
What? That's not really cute though.
It is cute.
When you have a second, can I ask you some prices?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. No, you're fine.
Really prepared for this.
Oh, don't worry. Can I check the prices on these two things?
I'd say 3 and 5.
Okay, that I can do. Thank you very much.
That camera you got there, what is that for filming?
So I have a YouTube channel of just literally finding stuff at yard sales, and people kind of watch along with me and see what I found. Thank you. It's like a little. I'm originally, yeah.
Okay.
I live here now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
I love it. I
Yeah.
used to live down in London, like for school and stuff. And coming here, the friendliness of people, I couldn't live without it now.
Right. Well,
Compared to
glad to have
the. Well, thank you. How are you all?
Your car looks all shiny.
Yes, it does for now. It's a really nice backpack. All right, I think you have 5 on the backpack and 2 on the porch size. There are $7. Thank you very much. Have a good day.